for something for it. Oh! Here we go!
Yan ang puwersa na taglay ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Bagsak na naman!
Mark Magnifico Magsayo! Gervonta Tank Davis!
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Mula sa kanyang impresibong knockout performances sa mga laban sa Amerika, marami ang humanga kay Mark Magnifico Magsayo na Amerikanong fans. Kung saan inaabangan nito ang kanyang knockout power, lalo na ngayon na naninirahan at nagsasanay na siya sa Amerika. Sa pinakabagong rankings, si Magsayo ay kasalukuyang rank number 2 sa WBC, rank number 3 sa WBO, at rank number 5 sa WBA. Kaya naman hindi na nakapagtataka na siya ang napiling posibleng kapalit ni Lamont Roach upang labanan ang undefeated superstar na si Gervonta Tank Davis, ang alaga ni Floyd Mayweather Jr., kung sakaling umatras si Roach sa kanilang laban. Samantala, ang laban ni Davis kontra kay Roach ay nauwi sa isang kontrobersyal na majority draw. Sa ikasiyam na round, isang solidong suntok mula kay Roach ang tumama kay Davis, dahilan upang ito ay lumuhod at tila nagpapabilang sa referee. Ngunit sa ikinagulat ng lahat nang hindi siya binilangan ng referee. Sa halip, tumayo na lamang si Davis at dumiretso sa kanyang corner upang magpapunas ng mukha kahit may natitira pang 2 minuto sa round. Dahil dito sa nangyari, umani ng matinding reaksyon mula sa boxing fans. Marami ang naniniwala na kung binilangan si Davis, tiyak na panalo na sana si Roach. Dahil sa kontrobersyang ito, naghain ng formal na protesta ang kampo ni Roach upang baguhin ang opisyal na resulta ng laban. Dahil sa nangyaring ito, marami ang napatanong, paano kung suntok ni Magsayo ang nakapagpabagsak kay Davis? Mapanatili pa kaya ni Tank ang undefeated record? Kung mangyari ito, tiyak na magiging instant superstar si Mark Magsayo. Alam naman natin na mas malakas ang suntok ni Magsayo, 18 knockouts sa kanyang 27 panalo, kumpara kay Roach na may 12 knockouts lamang sa kanyang 25 panalo. Upang lubos nating maunawaan kung bakit posibleng mapatulog ni Magsayo si Tank Davis, balikan natin ang kanyang huling laban sa Thunder Studios sa Long Beach, California, USA, kontra sa mas malaking si Brian Mercado. Sa pagbukas ng laban, agad na sinalubong ni Magsayo ng mga solidong suntok si Mercado, kung saan halata sa reaksyon ni Mercado na ramdam niya ang lakas ng ating Pinoy.
Stuff. It's not going to be a cakewalk where someone takes you out to dinner. You're going to have to earn every round, earn every single punch. And, he's matched up with a man with 18 professional fights.
We saw that right at the beginning, right there, Mercado hit him with that left hand. So Magsayo's got to be ready. He's got to be alert.
I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over, as if to say, I want an early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity.
Counterpunch could sit down on something, wait for him to make a mistake. He needs to let his hands go.
Dressing room. I talked to him. I talked to his wife. He said, "I can't overreach. I can't lunge in," and he's starting to do that. He's got to set up.
Brian Mercado, he's ready. Let's remember, let's remind people that Brian Mercado was supposed to fight November 30th against.
Muncie, he has to let it go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You have to look at the scars.
He almost got him there with that left. And Brian Mercado, he's ready. Let's remember, was supposed to fight November 30th against Carmel Moulton. But Moulton came in 15 pounds over the weight limit. Moulton, obviously a great prospect from Mayweather Promotions, and obviously he said, "No, I can't fight this guy 15 pounds over." So here he is. That was November 30th, and Brian is ready.
What's with these Mayweather fighters? They seem to come overweight. That's part of their game plan. And even the advice they give people, coming over.
I don't know. Sometimes you get away with it, and I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and
He's just waiting. He's anticipating. He knows what's in front of him.
Advantage. advantage, but Brian said no. That's their way. I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and have that advantage, but Brian said no. I'm not taking the fight. And here he is. Ooh. Against Magsayo.
Magsayo's cutting the ring off right now. He's just waiting. He's participating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him.
Mula sa solidong naipatama ni Magsayo sa katawan, bagsak si Davis. Ngunit nakatayo pa ito at nagpakita ng tibay.
Walks him down, beats a shot to the...
They're a better move to catch some air, to gain, opportunity to recover a little bit. Well, Magsayo, he's experienced. He's gonna go for
And I'm looking at the corner of Magsayo.
Isang solidong kaliwa ni Magsayo ang muling nagpabagsak kay Mercado, ngunit inabot pa ito sa pagtunog ng bell.
They're probably talking about the mouthpiece that he spent, but here he is again, Magsayo.
Sa round 2, dito na tinapos ni Magsayo ang paghihirap ni Mercado. Mula sa sunod-sunod na matitinding suntok sa katawan, bumagsak muli si Mercado. Sa pagkakataong ito, hindi na siya pinayagang ipagpatuloy ang laban. Agad nang itinigil ng referee.
Yes. Referee's gonna stop it. Referee's gonna stop this.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Nakuha ni Magsayo ang panalo sa pamamagitan ng knockout sa ikalawang round at muli siyang hinangaan ng American fans. Sa inyong palagay, kung matuloy ang laban ni Magsayo kontra kay Tank Davis, mapapabagsak kaya niya ang undefeated na superstar? Pag-usapan natin yan sa baba. Basahin ko yan isa't isa ang inyong opinyon at isama na rin ang inyong lugar upang malaman natin kung saan na umabot ang videong ito.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.